Jai Hind, friends. I hope you're all doing good. Uh, Today was a good short covering rally and very good uh, profits. I'm sure most of you would have done if you're able to hold positions for long enough. And the opening itself, I somewhere close to around 9:17 itself, we mentioned market. We may see some short covering rally today. And we in fact we shared one position of 17,850 above 166 for 220. This made a high of 260, and on the bank nifty we took 500. This made a high of 1,200. We told our subscribers to trail, and in fact we also told nifty if one may also add at 190, one few more lots, and then trail the stop loss. The other couple of trades for was in AU Bank 650 call, and then IndusInd Bank and Axis, which gave us some decent profit. And we also saw good short covering after 12. We There was a target which we felt could hit in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Nifty we were like expecting 1840 and Bank Nifty 42,600. Market, in fact, made I think high of 42,830, 200 points away from what we expected. So, what are we thinking of tomorrow? Is what we would like to. I'm sure would like we all want to know. Uh, if you see the option chain data, uh, the call raters at 17,800, 17,700 had to cover their positions, and now right now we see call writers holding on positions at 18,000. And of course there are put writers at 18,000 as well, which can be a good support. The next call writer sitting at 18,200. So that means to say the market can go up to 18,200, face resistance and move down. However, for me, if I look at the market per se, this was a good support which I think market has taken at 17,773, and then there's a good strong bounce. However, when now there's a good bounce and market has reversed, we still feel that market has not completed its correction. It may face resistance at 18,120 to 18,195 and then start moving down also. The other thing what it can even do is open the gap down uh, somewhere close to 17,900 levels and then start moving up also. Basis the structure, uh, there has been strong resistance at these levels. There has been good reaction also. However, market has sustained and still showing signs of positive up move. So tomorrow, if bank Nifty tends to open gap down, open a gap down at 17,936 and take supports and start moving up, then possibly we may see the target of 18,200 also. So one may go long at these levels of 17,940 and above. First target for this could be somewhere close to 18,120. The next level of target could be somewhere 18,204 also. However, if there is huge selling happening and market tends to move down below 17,920, then our next target would be somewhere at 17,891 and 17,840 also. So friends, I would request you to be cautious because market has, as I said, has not completed its down downside. It's just a short covering rally which we saw today, and there is a possibility, of course, of a further up move as well. So tomorrow, as the market opens and then basis the movement, we would look to see which side of the trade is profitable, and then we can go accordingly. Uh, Bank Nifty, on the other hand, has a strong support at 42,000. There is also put writers at 42,500 also, which is 100 points away from where market has closed. Anshulji, I'm not an expert in waves. This is just uh, uh, and waves, let me tell you, is a very tough subject to understand. You can never expertise in this particular subject. However, I definitely uh, uh, attempt to make understand this and then share my views. Uh, Bank Nifty, on the other hand, if tends to move down like this and then take support at 42,000 uh, 430 to 42,400, then there is a possibility of then we can look at going long here at these levels. And our first target would be somewhere uh, 42,842, sorry, 42,840, and then we can also look at 43, 350 to 400 also. On the downside, if Bank Nifty is moves down below 42,300, then our first target would be somewhere close to 41,880, and then we can look at 41,560 also. I shall also share the uh, Bank Nifty option trades. Uh, Also, let me tell you, if the stop loss get hit and the entry comes on the other side, for example, we had taken put for example today, but then when the SL hits and we see an entry on the call side, so immediately we exit or we still can hold a position depending on the number of quantities, but ensure we take the trade which is activated on the call side or whatever side which is activated. So what I can see is 42,400 on the call side and 42,000, sorry, 42,600, sorry, uh, 800 put or even 42,900 put looks good to keep in our watch list. Our entry levels are 42,900 PE. Uh, if this moves above 515, sorry, 515 to 522, I would go add positions for a target of 590 to 640 plus. And depending on the market, we would trail or stop losses. Currently, the stop loss we would be looking at 477. On the call side, I'm looking at 40 to 400. If this tends to move above 465 uh, or so, I would add positions with a stop loss of 408. Target for this would be somewhere at 520 to 580 or so. Whenever you are in profit, there's a way of holding on to the profit. The one way is take two lots, book at the first lot at the target one, and then start trailing the second one according to your risk appetite. This way, we are able to make profit on the entire ride, and thereby you're not losing and having the FOMO that I missed out a big trade like this. Because what I see is many of the viewers exited early or very keen to book profits and exited out later to realize this 41,000 uh, 600 C from 500 it went to 1,200 and 41,900 470 also crossed 1,000. As we had mentioned yesterday in index, I think index reality was doing well. Uh, Nifty auto also was up, giving a good support for this rally. Public sector banks like Ken Bank uh, moved very nicely. I think almost about 4.8 to 5% was the up move in this particular bank. Let's look at Nifty 50 stocks. Hindalco also has given a good entry on buy. I think the next level of target would be 4,000, sorry, 465. One may trail the stop losses according to the risk appetite. Infosys tried to move upwards, but then looks like it has formed a doji. The downside is still not completed. The next level, I think, uh, Infosys we should be seeing is 1,477 or so. Uh, if you can see, Nifty Infosys has formed a type of a pattern which shows some bit of laziness, some bit of profit booking which can come in this particular stock. So the other stocks which I am looking at is Sun Pharma. Sun Pharma, if you see, there are three red candles here. If the price sustains above how this also looks like a flag, I can see price gets stuck in this particular range. We may be difficult for some farmer to come out and hit the higher side. So we will see if there's a good entry. If price sustains above, I'm sorry. Mm, okay. If price sustains above this level of 1,009 or 995, then I think some farmer we may see a good rally. Initial target would be around 1,005, and then subsequently we can even look for holding on the position for up to 1,012 days to 1,025 or so. Uh, so good luck for tomorrow. Thank you all for your time. Uh, Maruti also seems to have taken a bit of a U-turn from its current fall. I was expecting good support here at 8,030 levels. Uh, If Maruti tends to sustain above this level of 8 to 83, 80 to 4,000, 8,410, then we could see a strong up move coming in Maruti. However, if it doesn't sustain above these levels, then Maruti may retrace back and then we can see 8,000 levels coming in Maruti tomorrow. So, viewers, thank you all for your time. We hope our channel has been helpful. Please do listen twice, understand the market for next day, be prepared